Welcome back to Farming Discovery. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Resin is a substance that oozes or exudes from pine trees and some other plants to help heal wounds or seal off insect damage. Depending on what time of year you forage and the age of the resin, it may be soft and sticky, or it may be in hard chunks. Where winter is a perfect time since yearly snow and ice storms always bring down a few pine trees. Sometimes the tree will have a supply of resin from previous wounds. Other times we cut the tree into smaller sections for moving it out of our yard or from the chicken gout area, and resin will ooze from those branch cuttings. When it comes to pine resin, a pretty common problem occurs when someone tries to directly melt resin, then add it to a salve or soap. This is messy and can cause recipe complications. It works much better to infuse the resin into oil, strain out any tree bark and remaining debris, and then incorporate the resin-infused oil into your recipe. Place the chunks of resin on a sheet of parchment or freezer paper and freeze them for several hours until hardened. Fold the freezer parchment paper around the pieces, then use a hammer to carefully break them up into smaller pieces or powder. The production of pine resin oil, also known as pine essential oil, begins with the collection of resin from pine trees. Typically, this resin is obtained from various pine species, such as the Scots pine or the maritime pine. Harvesters carefully make incisions in the tree's bark to allow the resin to ooze out naturally. Once collected, the resin is carefully cleaned to remove impurities like bark and dirt. The next step in the process is steam distillation. The clean pine resin is placed in a specialized distillation apparatus where it is exposed to high temperature steam. Desaline steam, because the resin releases essential oil, which then evaporates and is carried through a system of tubes and condensers. As the vapor cools, it condenses back into a liquid, resulting in a mixture of pine essential oil and water. water are separated, with the oil floating on top due to its lighter density. This collected pine resin oil is often further refined to remove any remaining impurities, resulting in a purer and more concentrated essential oil. It is then typically bottled and packaged for sale or used in various applications, including traditional medicine.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel. Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.